Imagine cutting your budget analysis time in half. With Agenda, a Revit add-in by AvantLeap, you can automate budget analysis and schedule creation directly from your BIM model. Start by opening Budget Analysis from the AvantLeap tab. A detailed grid appears showing all quantifiable element types in your model: categories, types, quantities, and costs. From here, you can load an existing cost catalog or let Agenda generate one using AI. Watch as Agenda connects to Claude and fills 53 catalog gaps automatically, populating unit costs across structural columns, framing, walls, doors, floors, and furniture in seconds. The grand total updates live, giving you an immediate project cost estimate in your local currency. Once the AI finishes, Agenda prompts you to save the generated catalog as a markdown file for future use. Click Yes, name your file, and save it to your desktop, ready to reuse across projects. Scroll through the budget grid to review every line item: doors, floors, furniture. Each row shows quantity, unit cost, and total. You can edit unit costs directly, switch measurement units between EA, M2, M3, and LM, and the totals recalculate instantly. When you're satisfied with the results, click Write to Model to push catalog data back into Revit as shared parameters. No manual data entry required. Agenda, Seamless BIM Cost Analysis, available now on the Autodesk App Store.